Alright, so welcome back to my channel, and it's been a long time, no saying. So basically today I just got a huge package of stuff from Beauty Bay. So I got 5 things to try out. One is Jeffree Star Cosmetics.
The one with Manny, Jouer Lip Toppers, a long-wear cream lip liner, and as well as a dark circle corrector from Eyeshadow. So why not try this in a little bit of a chill tutorial mode. I have no idea what I'm doing, but look, basically, so I thought I would
Do a soft glam. He doesn't love a soft glam. We all do. So, and I'm going to pull back my hair, and I'm going to use a bit of a prep and prime spray. So I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus just to spritz this on my face. Okay. I have barely nothing left, and I've ordered the new all-nighter from Urban Decay's all-nighter, the pollution one, so I'm going to try that one. And my current obsession is the Too Faced HangoveRX, but it was totally, this is almost empty, and I wasn't ordering from Sephora, so I bought the Urban Decay one. Alright, so why not start with the foundation? I have no idea what kind of foundation I'm going to use. I think I'm going to use a little bit of a heavy duty foundation, so I'm going to use a blurring primer, and I like this one from Garnier. It's a bit of a drugstore alternative, and it's a 5-second perfect blur primer. Right, so I'm going to apply this around my nose area, right here, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender, and I actually really like to take a setting spray or my Fix Plus to spritz that on it so it gets more damp and set the face a little bit more better. Then I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the colour Pearl. I love this. I love this. And I usually just do like this onto my face. Yeah, really. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and this is a corrector. This is the peach corrector, and I really should have done this before, shouldn't I? Before the foundation. But whatever, we're going to try this. I think that's enough. Shouldn't use that much tea, should you? Then I'm going to blend that out with my sponge as well. I really hope this technique really gets rid of my dark circles. So I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the colour NC15 because I'm a real pale person. So I'm going to use this, and this does not highlight anything. Alright, take this underneath my eyes, around my nose, and a little bit on the chin. On the chin, and then my eyelids as well. Because I use this as primer. That's it. Way too many times. Alright, just blend this out.
Alright, that was a game changer. Oh my goodness. I have no under eye circles. That was really life-changing.
Yeah, maybe I should listen to the beauty gurus on the web. Actually color correct. Wow. Now I'm going to use my Laura Mercier, what is this? Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes. I love this for my under eyes. Basically what it's for. And this is just going to brighten everything up. It's gonna Then I'm going to use the Hiccup 111 brush, and I'm going to take the Studio Fix my Studio Fix powder from MAC in NC15 and set the rest of my face. I'm going to take my Bahama bronzer from the Blam. This is my recent favourite bronzer, and I like to use a more compact brush for applying bronzer. So I'm using the Hiccup 115 brush. Just going to load my brush up. Right, then I'm going to take my Infinity palette by Linda Hellberg, and I'm going to take the colour Cigar right here, and I'm going to take that on an angled contour brush. This is from Hiccup. It's the 112 brush. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the contour colour. Contour my cheekbone. And I like to contour just here. So everything gets more in-sunken cheek look. I'm going to take a smaller brush. I like using the Hiccup 120 brush, and I take this underneath. And it just makes me pout a little bit more. So yeah, love that trick. So I'm going to use some contour the upper lip. Not my cup of tea. Then I'm going to take a highlighter, and I'm actually going to use a new highlighter today. I'm not going to use a Linda Hellberg highlighter, which I almost did. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Eclipse, and I love this packaging, the holographic. Dying. Alright, let's see if I can get it open. There we go. I wanted to just write a pattern. I'm shook. So I'm going to take the Hiccup 119 brush. Gonna pick up some highlighter. Ooh, not the best brush for that. Let's see my H&M brush then. I love this. There we go. There we go. This is heaven. Now I'm going to do my brows, and I think I'm going to do that off cam because that takes real long. Now we're going to start with eyes, aren't we? And I have no idea what to do, but I feel like a soft eye is what I will go for today.
So, I can't use the same palette, can I?
I'm going to take the Morphe 35O palette. I'm going to take the I'm got Scottish. Alright. Right then, mate. Slow down with you. Alright, so we're going to take this Morphe 35O palette. And I'm going to take this bone shelly kind of colour. This one here, if you can see it. Alright, so I'm just going to bring this up to the brow bone to set the whole lid. Just do the same on the other eye. Alright, then I'm going to take the Hiccup 113 brush, and I'm going to take a... I'm going to start with this colour right here. And I'm going to put this into the crease of the eye, just to build up some colour in there. I feel like I'm going to do a matte eye with a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner and under the brow bone. And then just let my skin and lips shine. Because I'm going to use the Jouer Lip Toppers. Not which one though. No! Yes, I'm going to use the same brush. Alright. So I'm going to take this terracotta brownish warm kind of colour. This one. And I'm going to use that, and I'm going to place that in the crease as well. But I want to place it a little bit more further down than this colour that we just put. So I'm going to take the 120 brush, and I'm going to place this into the crease. I'm just going to take this brush. I had this for so long. I really like it though. It's a taper blending brush. And I'm going to take a dark colour, so I feel like I'm going to go into this one. This is also a reddish brown kind of colour. Just going to dip it in lightly. I don't want too much on the brush. I'm just focusing on the outer crease, just to build up a little bit of definition. Into the eye. This brow though is on fleek. This is not. Why do you always have that one brow that you always prefer? Do you also have that? Or is it just me that is extremely crazy? So I'm going to use the Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to use these lashes. These are faux mink. Faux mink lash. Eyelash. I have no idea where they come from. And I like to put the lash glue onto the back of my hand. Yeah. So I'm going to put these lashes on and I'll be right back. And I'm not an expert at putting on false lashes, but I'll try. Really am trying. Oh my lord. This. And then I'm just going to take this brush to clean underneath my lashes. So now it's time for the lip stuff. So I'm going to try this. This is the Jouer Funfetti Longwear Lip Topper, and this is so I'm just going to try to see how this looks on my bare lips, because, I mean, look at it. It is stunning. Well, this is something. And I mean, just the cotton looks gorgeous. But I want to try the lip liner too. So, a bit of glitter left, but whatever. And I'm going to use the Jouer Longwear Lip Liner. Longwear Cream Lip Liner. And this is in the colour Sienna. That is some pure pigment. I'm just going to clean up around my lip with a little bit of concealer. Just gonna a little bit more highlight on the cupid spot. I'm gonna use the lip topper in St.Tropez. I feel like that is going to look. Right, so this is the look. My camera died, so if it's a little bit better lighting, it is because the sun has gone down. So what I did is continued doing the lip topper, and then I'm just going to spray a little bit of thickness spray. Like that. You can do a lot more, but I'm saving. And then I just put my hair up in a really high pony because I thought that looked really cute. So that's what basically what I did. And that is the finished look. And if you enjoy this, then please give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And also to my channel, there are coming a lot more creative videos and content, so just keep on watching where you can play with makeup with me. So that's it, and I hope I see you guys on my channel in the future, and I love you. Bye!